Hi, my name is Hillary. I am just giving you kind of an introduction to myself, seeing as nobody will actually be watching this yet because I'm a nobody right now. That's okay. I am starting a YouTube channel that I am going to be calling Skill Supply. And the idea behind this is that so many of our growing up kids, our teenagers, our young adults, don't know how to do some basic things. Our society is failing these kids, and I want to be kind of the help behind making that end and teaching you guys these skills, like some things as easy as like boiling an egg. How long do you boil an egg? Do you put the egg in before it boils? Do you put anything else in? Does salt even make the water boil faster? You know, things like that. How to sew something really basic. How to put eyeliner on. Where do you put eyeliner on? You know, how do you shave? What direction do you shave in? Do you have to use shaving cream? You know, so I'm going to be posting some videos that are just basic skills that maybe you don't know how to do. And so I'm hoping I can help you learn those things. And if you have any ideas also along the way, please let me know in the comments. You can always drop a comment. Just know, please, that yes, we are all entitled to our opinions, but please keep it positive and don't be bringing people down. We have enough of that in the world. I am here to help you learn things and do that in a positive way. And yeah, I'm going to goof up and do things silly and mess things up completely. But that's part of the fun of learning. So you learn from your mistakes. If we didn't ever make mistakes, we would never learn. And so that's what my YouTube channel is going to be about. And it's going to be called The Skill Supply. And hopefully we can learn some skills, or I can teach you some skills, and maybe I can even learn some from you guys too. I will be doing other things not as basic, like acrylic paintings, or how to groom a dog. You know, I've got a Schnauzer that I groom myself because it's very expensive to take her to a groomer and get that done every month, so I do it myself. So I'll even do a video on that. I might have to do like a warp speed kind of version of that, but that'd be fine. That'd be awesome if you're interested in that. So this is not like a makeup channel, it's not a gamer channel, it's not a cooking channel, it's like a little bit of everything. So if you have any skill that you don't have, if you want to learn a skill that maybe you never learned in school, or that you just want to know, ask me in the comments, and hopefully I can help you learn that. And if I don't know it already, then I'll learn with you. That's the fun of this. As you can see, I have my sewing machine over there. It is a Brother. I actually asked for that on my 18th birthday. I really wanted a sewing machine. And it's one of the best things you can have in a house or an apartment or a dorm, whatever. Because you get rips all the time. Your favorite jeans rip, your blouse comes undone and you have to sew a buttonhole or whatever, you know. And it's the best thing you can have in your house, in your home. Also, you'll see I've got some drawings over here. I actually went to college, UT Arlington here in Texas, and for architecture originally, and that's one of my most proud moments was this bell pepper up here. I think I got an A- on it, or B+ or something, but I was really excited. I was like, I made that! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. But I didn't end up finishing an architecture degree. I changed to education, and I'm now a teacher, and I love it. As crazy as it is, I love the drama, I love the kids, I love teaching, I love being a helper, a mentor, and guiding young minds to learn things that I know that they don't, that I can share with these young people, little people, you know, and I love that. I teach middle school, and I love what I teach. So I'm hoping you guys will come on this journey with me in starting a new YouTube channel. I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too, and I hope you have a lot of things you don't know so we can learn those together, and I can hopefully teach you some of those things too if I already know them. If you have any questions for me, please drop them in the comments. Like this video if it sounds interesting to you. Obviously I don't have any other videos yet, so if you want to subscribe in hopes that it's going to be good, then great, do that. If not, just keep looking and keep watching out, and we'll start with our first basics tutorial soon. I'm hoping within the week I'll get that posted up too. So again, if you have any questions about me, I'm from Texas. I am in Texas born and raised. I am a dog lover. I've got 4 dogs. As you know, I already said I have a Schnauzer, but I've got Puggle, and then I've got 2 big dogs that are part German Shepherd, part Chow, part Rottweiler, and part, what was the other part of that? Pitbull. And they're so sweet. They're such sweet dogs, but they're big. They're about 60 pounds a piece. They're brother and sister. We got them from the same litter. So I've got the 2 puppies. They're about a year old now. The Puggle and then the Schnauzer. So I've got 4 fur babies, and I love them dearly. They are my happiness. I've got a loving, large family. I am a big family person. They've taught me everything that I know, and I'm really excited to share those things with you guys too. So, I will see you around, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.